Ke idea jongi kamut bangin create tourist circuit hakini ki Jaka ki badan potential and connect them together. Kani ka yamle kan long connected to our Maukhanu city kani kan New Shillong ka ba hangtur ngin sa don buon ki tourism activity ka festival ground jongi monolith structure bangin done so many things that we will come up there also to can connect na ko yam sya ka Maukhanu sya ka Sora kini ki road corridor sungi ladon ke expansion of the airport rungi ladon. Recently hapot Tura rungi dan tu ka handing over taking over bangi mut Shna ka 5-star hotel hapot Tura ru hakato ko Orchid Lake resort jungi ke barem Tura. Tika idea jungi ka long bangin create a lot of accommodation unit across the state, especially kini ki cluster ki ba bon tourist footfall but hak bangila kintiu ya kini ki infrastructure jongi. In that way the kidan kum kani ka resort ki homestay jongi ru kin mi hakatu ka Jaka kan don ka demand. Dalor kata ngi don ka community led scheme ru kata ka bangi ai jingyarap kum ka grant ya kinong shnong yi community based society kum tu ki balong kunhon kum ki self help group bakin yo arhusan lang banle ki tourism work kat kum ka jingkwa jing so tho jongki tena kata community led ru ngi ladap ai ya kumba kat kandai arphongot ki kunhon ki la yo ya kata ka grant kadon ka proposal bangin le experiential silk center ho umden ngila thiet ka Jaka ho umden ni mot banle e kata. We have always been trained, we have been indoctrinated to have these kind of environmental checks in place through various projects bagi fund. Marnar area ro to halik jong indon ka wek experiential project also funded externally aided funded project. An environmental specialist will be there. So we are helping yakini ki private parties and group kinong shnong to organize various program, smaller ones, their own festival through ka M-Step scheme jongi ni ai jingyarap yakini various tourism groups also ni ai exposure. They go outside of the country, outside of the state to participate in marts and programs. So there are many things that we are doing to give a holistic, to go with whatever the government intend and uplift and improve your economy to reach kataka vision of $10 billion. The vision of $10 billion of our Honorable Chief Minister. So that is the objective, and we should remind ourselves from time to time that everything that we are doing, it's for the public.